Alright, so the Taurus is just difficult to do audio with. You know that there's the amp back there, and when you get your Metra kit, whatever it is, or is it Metra? I don't remember. You're gonna plug and play right there. It'll have a plug that'll fit perfectly, and you're gonna bring it through the door frame. I've actually put mine through the seat right here, under the door frame, through here. As you can see, I have it going up and in and back out. Alright, you're gonna see that there's another plug here for the back of this. Well, I figured out at least, that this wire is the remote start wire that's missing on the kit. But it's not actually missing because it has it. So here's the radio. Now, if you don't believe me, it actually says ignition switch, which I had no idea, and I really needed to figure out what that was. And I'm hoping that it's coming this way. I mean, this one is right next to each other. I'm hoping. Otherwise, if not, then hell, use this one. It's no different. Well, it might be different. That one might actually work. Alright, all I'll do is move it up. Okay, well that is not the wire. Alright, let's move it. Switch wires. Alright, all I did was pinch it with those and just kind of move it a little bit. Didn't actually take any off. Now I'm just gonna see, I just wrapped it around. Let's try again. Now it's not going to come on at first because I actually turned the radio off. Alright, let's see. Oh! See, I turned it off. Alright, well we know it works because it did that. Let me just turn it on. I have no idea how what the volume is. I don't want to blast my ears. Come on, load. Alright. Oh, good. Still works. Good. Oh, I'm gonna love you. Still works. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. It works. I found the remote start. Whew. Thank God. Alright, now I just gotta wire this one in also and wire it to the back.